you doing today? My name's Eric. This is my wife, Monica.
Hi.
My son, Kyle.
Hello.
And my daughter, Ava Grace. And today we're going to go check out a new CurderBurger from Culver's.
And this is our first day off keto.
Yes, our first day off keto, so we're kind of excited. So it's kind of a weird story, but first I gotta thank Justin Jones. He's one of my viewers that sent me a message telling me about this new burger at Culver's. And he's from Colorado, and he said, yeah, I was thinking about you. You should go do a review. So that's why we're doing this today. Now, what it is, kind of funny background story. If you don't know, we're in Wisconsin, and they love their cheese curds here. Right, Monica?
Oh, yeah.
And as an April Fool's joke, last year, Culver's on their, social media pages said the new cheese curd burger, and it was just a bun with a giant cheese curd in the middle.
CurderBurger.
Well, that's what they call it now, the CurderBurger.
CurderBurger.
But anyway, I guess they started an online petition. People were protesting. They're like saying, please do this. And they finally said, why not? So basically, it's a regular deluxe burger.
But it's only for like 2 weeks.
Well, last year they did it for one day. And they sold out before they even hit the dinner time. So this year they said we're going to start it October 15th, and it's going to go till the end of October. But, who knows? I guess it's been very popular. So that's where we're going. You're looking excited, Kyle?
We're really close to
Kyle's
Culver,
excited.
so it'll take us like a few minutes to get there.
So anyway, come with us as we check out Culver's new CurderBurger.
And enjoy the fall colors.
Let's get eating.
Whoa, yeah.
Yep, let's get eating.
All right, here we are. Hi.
Hey.
We're at Culver's. Kyle, waiting for our burgers. Enjoying our, I like their diet root beer. You like the regular root beer, huh, Kyle? They make their own root beer here.
The root beer's good.
It is good.
The best part about sitting inside is you get free refills.
Yeah, that's
Guys,
right.
it's really funny because the last time we've been here was in the video of the We Moved, and it was when we were new to Wisconsin
Yeah,
and
that's
stuff.
right.
It's always funny. It was the last time we came here.
But off camera, we've been here many, many times.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Last
Okay,
time we
guys.
came here was a year ago.
I mean, no, inside.
Inside, yeah.
We've been through the drive-thru many times.
Yeah, I mean inside, yeah.
All right.
We've been in drive-thru many times.
All right, food has arrived. CurderBurger, no tomato. Another CurderBurger, and
And then I got my own small fries and a burger and some milk.
and some milk.
Yeah.
All right. Well, check it out, guys. This is the curd, which is big cheese curd. But
huge.
they say you should, in the burger underneath, tomato, pickles, lettuce.
By the
Kyle,
way,
go ahead. Take a bite first. Let's do Kyle.
Hang on.
Are you ready?
Looks good. Try to hold the bun equally to the top. There you go.
Okay. Hope you got some napkins here. Let me see inside. Do you get? Oh, yep. There's some cheese there. I think you got to get a little bit more involved there.
What do you think?
We got bad first bite.
Let's take a look. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Woohoo! All right, Ava Grace is gonna take a bite of her cheeseburger.
but I know you guys might know I have the feeding tube, but a few months ago we went to McDonald's and I found out I could eat cheeseburger. I don't remember if I told you guys. I don't remember, so that's why.
All right.
I'm saying.
So you're able to nibble.
Even though I might have said it already, so I'm gonna try.
Take a bite.
I had Culver's once before.
Good job, Ava Grace. Yes. All right, you can do it. Yep, good. How's this going over here, Kyle?
Is that hard to get down?
No, it's just at the hard part of the
Oh, it's like, look at that. He's,
I pulled the hard part off, but maybe there was a little left
look
in
at
there.
that, guys. Ooh. Oh, be careful.
Okay, I'm dying to eat
All
mine.
right, go ahead.
Well, the cheese is still stringy.
This is really good, guys. It's just like a hard layer of meat, and I'm trying to get used to eating it.
Oh my gosh, this is huge.
How is it?
First bite is delicious.
All right. I gotta
Now
try.
you're officially off
All right,
keto,
look
Mom.
inside there. Look at the cheese. That's good?
Oh my goodness.
All right, I gotta try. Yours going good? Yeah. Kyle? All right, guys. So far, everyone is improving.
Yeah, this is really good.
All right.
Really good again.
All right, guys. There we are. Very good.
Hey!
Look at that.
Big lump of cheese and ketchup and stuff on the overalls.
All right, Kyle. We're almost done with that burger. Let's take another look at it. All right, what do you think, man? Would you like to see it as a regular addition to the menu?
I think we got to come back here again before they're out.
Before the end of the month? What do you
Agreed.
think? Yeah, you like it?
I don't know when they're out of them.
It's not like a normal cheeseburger.
No, it's not. Monica, almost halfway done?
Wow. I don't even know. It's a perfect blend. I mean, I already like Culver's, but this blows all their burgers out of the water.
Yeah.
It tastes like a burger. And with grilled cheese.
Yeah, there you go. That's a good way. But like a crunchy grilled cheese. Because it's got that curds.
Breading.
Yeah, the breading. All right. Look at this, guys. Right here, it's like kind of falling apart, this piece here.
Oh my gosh.
Try it for itself.
Let's try that just by itself here.
Good.
Wisconsin cheese, baby.
Yeah.
Very good.
I'm still going strong.
All done? Oh, now you get to go on to the fries. What does that say? I feel the need for cheese.
And mine says these fries were made for dipping.
And that's just what they'll do.
Yes.
All right, guys, we're gonna finish eating this, and we'll give you our final impressions once we're done eating. Man, very good. Be back in a minute. All right, guys, what do they call these mixers?
Concrete mixer.
Excited to go.
Concrete mixer. And Ava Grace has got a little one. What
She's
do you
got a
have?
vanilla with salted caramel.
Ooh, looks good. And what did you get?
Mine's vanilla with cheesecake pieces.
Eli's cheesecake.
cheesecake pieces and hot fudge.
And mine's the same as hers, and then Dad's is the same thing, except instead of vanilla ice cream,
I
it's
got
chocolate.
chocolate.
It's good, guys.
Stepping down the side, you want to roll it? Oh,
Yes.
Let's give this a
I'm
try.
here.
All right, Ava Grace, you're gonna try yours, huh?
Yeah, it's vanilla with salted caramel.
Wow.
So this is really good.
Let's see.
Wow.
Oh, be careful.
Yeah, I know. I know how to deal with that.
Okay. How is it? All right, how is it?
it's good.
How's yours, Ava Grace?
It's really good.
And you, Kyle? All right. It's a little sweet for me, man. I'm not used to eating this kind of stuff. It's very good, so. I mean, if you got a sweet tooth.
We could have gone for a mini.
Yeah, I could have got the small one for
Next
sure.
time I'll do what my instinct said, which is put fresh fruit in it instead of hot fudge.
Yeah.
They also, this is our first day off of keto, so.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I was like, we better not eat all this or we're going to be in
All right,
shock.
guys, we're back in the car. Final thoughts? What do you think, Monica?
I thought the CurderBurger was amazing. We're going to have to do that again before the end of the month.
Yeah.
The dessert was a little sweet, but it was still very good.
Yeah, it's good, but I'm
Couldn't
just
finish
not
it.
used to sweet. What do you think, Kyle?
It was really good. I think we definitely have to come here before October is over.
Okay. And what about you, Ava Grace?
Okay, it was really good. The burger was like, I don't know how to say, but there's something top layer of meat that I'm trying to get used to chewing because it's sometimes really hard to eat and it just hurts.
Yeah, it's a smash
But it's a
burger,
bit-
so it's a little crispy.
Oh, okay. And the ice cream was really good. I like the sweetness. I like the little caramel that was added. We added that.
Yeah, all
It was
right.
vanilla with caramel.
And by the way, another thing, our first hesitation was that, well, they don't offer a double CurderBurger, with 2 meat patties, like one single patty for $8 and something. That's not going to fill us.
Yeah.
It is very, very filling. We got the basket, so it came with fries and a drink.
Cheese
but
is filling.
Yeah, and
it was filling.
And the curd on top of the burger is like bigger than the burger patty
Yeah,
itself.
it is, and it's so good.
It's very filling. So yeah, at first I was like, oh, I normally get a double burger when I come here, but yeah. No,
And don't get turned off by the price either. Oh, like
no, it's
for
very
us,
good.
It's like $8, but
and
it's worth it.
It's a limited time. Who knows? Maybe it'll get eventually added to the regular menu if it's popular.
How though? If they sell out because they don't have enough curds or curd patties,
Well, they could make more if they had to.
I
But
guess.
maybe having
Wisconsin.
maybe having it this way will just make it a little special like this time of year. Some people go have pumpkin spice. Others go to have a CurderBurger.
Or wash it down with.
Nope.
They have pumpkin spice mixers.
Yeah.
Pumpkin spice curds.
As always, guys, I appreciate you watching. If you have a Culver's in your neighborhood and you get an opportunity to try it, I would highly recommend. You guys?
Yeah, definitely.
Yep.
And don't forget their root beer, because that's what they're known for.
They make their own root beer too, very good, and a diet version as well.
And if you go in a restaurant, you can get free refills and it brings them home.
Which is what we did.
Say bye, Eva Grace.
Bye.
All right, thanks again, guys. Hit the like button for the video. Please subscribe, and I'll leave links above and below to my website, ericsmokingbbarbecue.com. Thanks again for stopping by. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, guys.